Guys, see we can find some trades for Asia session. If you're looking at this, right, biggest things we can kind of take a look at is the broke structure to the downside. And we're trying to attempt to have a little range to the downside. I mean, a little trend to the downside. So, more likely, we could get a pretty decent potential pullback. If you're looking, I like this level right here, first test. This should hold if the trend wants to stay bullish on the longer term. So we're looking at 182 as a potential hold. And we're looking at 255 as a potential target if this keeps continuing falling. So we're looking at this. We want to see if the market can give us a nice, something to work out of, because we don't really have anything to work off, other than, I mean, we had these equal highs, I guess. You have these equal highs right here. And you have the equal lows, but this is in a place where you feel confident that you're playing the right side of the trade, because you could get a quick pop up, sweep these highs, and then come back down. You can sweep the lows and come right back up. So it's not a really fun area for you to feel good about. What we do know is we did have a LFG here, right? So a fail imbalance to the upside. So this kind of tells us that it's potential that we are more than likely to go lower. Now let's take a look at the 15 minute. Nothing here for us to really take a look at. No major level other than the high that we made up here, right? You have a decent little downtrend like this. So, not seeing anything that I love, I would say that much. Other than you could say we're following this downtrend, but technically we could just go right back above in the range. So it's possible right here, this is a nice little area for it to retest. But where we had that little IFEG right there, we kind of just ran through those imbalance right there. Now you can see we do have a giant imbalance in 1 minute right here too. I haven't attempted to take a look at yet to test it. So that is a potential place that we can run up to as well. So nothing special here that I'm kind of seeing that you want to take a stab at. Maybe pull back here to go up here. That's a potential setup. I mean, I don't feel great about that, but I mean, it's a potential setup. So you could take a stab at this. But yeah, I mean, not really too much going on. I don't like that one too much because of we're under the 20 EMA, so these are one of those areas that I just want to avoid. Unfortunately, there's really nothing here for us to take a look at and trade. Just have a little patience here. Well, actually, guys, I completely missed this right here too, though. We do have this 5 minute imbalance right here that we're currently sitting in. So it's very possible that we can range from this 5 minute imbalance to this 1 minute imbalance that we have right here. That's a very strong possibility, case scenario that we can take a stab at. So I mean, I don't love this play, but I don't hate this play either. After seeing that we are in a 5 minute imbalance right here, I would not be surprised if we get a little overextension up here to fill into this level right here before we go lower. So this is not a play that I hate. You can definitely take along here and use this low. Go for the 2 to 1. You know what? We'll take a stab at this. About 11 points. So we're gonna take 10. Oh, so it's kind of high, but. Alright, we're gonna take a jab at this. I was gonna do a little limit buy, but the market was moving too quick, so I just did a market buy. But we're really looking to risk around like 200, 300 in this trade, so we are gonna extend this to try to see if we can hit 2 to 1. Also because this imbalance is pretty big, so we have a pretty big imbalance right here, so I don't mind overextending a little bit to try to catch it. I might hit some tailwinds right around this area, and we might fall, but that's part of playing the game. So if we break these equal highs, I will go to break even, because I don't want to put myself in a position where it goes breaks equal highs and it comes right back down, stops me out down here and then dumps. So I don't want to be a part of that. So if we break these equal highs at 312, I will go to break even. Otherwise, yeah, we're gonna let this play out. See if we can get a quick little 2 to 1 here. It might take a while because it is Asia. So it might take us like 30 minutes just to get out there. Or if we're lucky, we get a nice push up. We'll see what happens. But you can, if you missed it, you can kind of watch the whole analysis of how I kind of found this trade. We'll move this over here so it looks cleaner. see what happens. Oh, looks like we're gonna just hand around the 20 EMA, of course. We did have one break above here on the 20 EMA, so if we get a second break, we could get a pretty decent break. And then this would solidify our to the 1 play right here. And that would be a pretty juicy play right there for us. Our goal is to just find liquidity to play to liquidity while using a certain liquidity as a stop, right? So that's just our whole goal and purpose. And this, we're using this, oh, what a dump right there. It's a really quick dump. Nice rejection off that. We fill that back into this one balance right here. If it pushes through, we might actually just dump here. In that case, I do really like the shorts, because that's a really nice dump. Okay, perfect. So now, again, wow, look at that. I want to try to see if it pulls back, gives us a chance to try to play to the next level. But this is definitely what we want to see in the dump off. It might not give us any chance here, but it's a nice little dump right there. And that kind of solidifies that the buyers aren't really stepping up. So we just broke out his range, and we're continuing to trend to the downside because of that. So more than likely this level probably won't matter until maybe we sweep this level or go down here. And then when we come right back up, we might come and fill this level. Until then, this level might not be filled at all. And we just want to look for continuation to the downside. Okay, so we got a nice little pause right here. Let's see if we can get a decent push up here. Oh, really strong selling off right there. He might just roll this. Let's see if we can come back up to at least like 286, but it might just continue to up right here. This push accounts. It's about 15 point, so if we can get a push up here, I want to risk 500. And about 17 contracts. Hopefully it doesn't run without us. Nah, it's running regardless. Come on. It's gonna pull back into the 20 EMA. We do have a nice 5-minute imbalance there now too. So, we'll see. My mic is messed up. Oh shit. Hold on. What about now? Can you guys hear me now? Why is it messed up? Audio capture. Did I do something to it? Oh, sucker. He ran down to our level. That was a nice little dump right there. Wow. But we're gonna keep this. We're gonna keep this because we can definitely go back and sweep the lows again. And we have a nice 5-minute imbalance right here. So we're definitely gonna keep this play going. I like this play now to go on a few more accounts. So we are gonna take another shot right here. On this account too. Because we have a nice. This imbalance is just really good. It's probably the 20 EMA really well right now. So this is definitely a play that we want. you know, just sound